welcome to the Zeitz Contemporary Art Museum. Visit the world's largest museum for contemporary African art in the heart of the V&A Waterfront with skip-the-line access. This museum includes 6,500 square meters, around 69,965 square feet of exhibition space in 100 galleries, a rooftop sculpture garden, state-of-the-art storage and conservation areas, a bookshop, a restaurant, and a bar, and various reading rooms. Explore the gallery's atrium space at the center of the ZT MOCAA. Learn how they were carved from the cellulose dense cellular structure of the 42 cubes and packed in the building. Discover why the museum is an important cultural landmark and how it contributes to a stronger appreciation of the African's cultural heritage. Want to see the world's coolest repurposed building? The Zeitz MOCAA, the Museum of Contemporary Art in Africa, is an awe-inspiring transformation of the series of grain stilos in a massive art museum. Even its windows and staircase are a work of art. It hosts collection from artists all over the continent and provide an easy halfway worth of sights and sound, a must-see in Cape Town for those who love art museums. Don't forget to check out the Sailors Hotel, sits atop the museum. At over $1,000 a night, you must have to settle for the view in the hotel's signature diamond-shaped windows. It provides 180 panoramic views from the outside, but it's still worth a look for those who actually can afford.
Insider tip: you may not feel like dropping $1,000 for a night on a hotel room, but you can still experience the magic that is the Silo Hotel. Make reservations for brunch or high tea at the Ganari Cafe, or head up to the rooftop for a sundowner.
Hey guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification bell. I'm Bianca, and I'll see you on our next video. Thank you.